It don't sound like you want to say that.
That me I say.
It don't sound like you're sure.
Yeah, man.
You want to give him one chance, you know?
Eh? Where's the kitty?
Yeah, I feel like Fabbi I look into it from the other day and, you know, feel like she want to give him back a little chance.
No.
Fabbi, when me ask, you never really want to answer. Like, it's...
No.
Let me tell you, boy, I'm afraid to blood clot.
We're not getting involved.
Plead
We're not getting involved. Fabbi ask me disappointed, me tell her no. I'm not surprised. Then I'm not tell Fabbi say me I get her 2 weeks.
What? What she said there?
She asked if me disappointed because I come catch you now. So I tell her no.
Well, so hold on.
You know what, I'm going to speak my honest opinion, Jayden. I think Fabbi want to work it out a little bit, you understand? But she just afraid what the media go say. Honestly to God, I swear that me I say.
What she mean? What she mean? No. What she mean?
So you change?
You don't see me in a new clothes and new skin. TJ.
She feel like
What's your name?
second chance, Jayden. She feel like, you know, let me tell you, everybody I said, let me tell you, honestly, you see to all me see it, she feel like, she in herself, she want it. The art want what it wants, but she afraid of the media. I tell you that. I swear to God if I know that thing.
No.
That's true, Fabbi?
No?
She a try to hide that little thing there. She a try to hide it to Jayden.
Say.
No, brother. Bro, we just...
See there? She want you, bro.
TJ, I ask you a question. What your team name?
My team?
Yeah, what your team name?
Thug Life.
Your team name Thug Life. Who run your team? You run your team, no? Alright, so Kitty, what your team name, Kitty?
No kitty.
Okay.
Go away, care, man. Go
And you
away.
run your team? And this is your team because me run this. So Fabbi, what go on over there, son?
Oh,
No, them run me. Them run me. Them run me.
Okay. And they run. Okay.
Oh, so you must say a Fabbi team, I block it.
Okay.
Them not black nothing.
Right, Fab.
Let me tell you, she afraid of the disrespect against Jayden.
True.
Let me wait, bro.
No, I understand where you're
You understand where I come from, right?
Yeah.
She afraid of the disrespect again. People are going to say she have low self-esteem with herself. People are going to say she have no dignity or no morals because the way you do her upon the media, all of them something that she look into. But in herself, she want give it a second chance. May I tell you?
Oh. I know all them things that just... Jesus.
If she consider, some people...
If she could consider to give a second chance, she go tell you, say, bro, take it off of the media. Let me tell you something. She will hide and the back with you, you know. As a woman, me will hide and the back with a man when I really want, you know. You understand? But nothing in a dark. This, you know, it will come out after a while, TJ. May I tell you, TJ. After a while, it will come out because in our art one. May I tell you. TJ, you know that too?
No, we're not talking.
Man want a woman and his mother beat you, say, lift the boy. You hide and take back the boy. Until it just come out, bloop.
I have to know, what you know, Kitty? You talk. We have to know if she's on the same page. Like, when you talk, TJ, you can ask her, is that true? So understand, say, what Kitty has said, she understand and so she feel the truth.
She...
I
Fabbi.
mean, chat up. And are you going to say a live chat?
No, I confirm with what you confirm.
Okay.
So you agree, I say you feel, Fabbi?
Yes, because
Take a toll pan her the other day. You see like, oh, it take a toll pan you, it take a toll pan her the other day. Me I tell you that. Meaning, she think about it right through. I lie me I tell Fabbi. This no a relationship them thing I be, you know. You want you bro, but you don't want the disrespect, bro. You want to take it off of the media then.
That can't work. It can't come off of me.
no, it can't work because if then I succumb right still. No.
And then you don't have to let go the past. Fabbi, and then you have to let go the past. You don't have to let go the past. So it's all about within yourself again, you know, you have to let go the past. You see, if you want to keep on go back to the past, it will go fuck up the present will go come and now. You understand?
Oh, we're gonna do that. Oh, we move the past from
You see that? You girl, wow, we're going there.
No.
It's a fair question still. Sure.
No, for real, but like, alright, them you see them past things them for your brain, bro, that are hard to remove, yeah?
It's how you say that.
Alright, you know what the main thing right now, you have to gain back trust. You see in a relationship, Fab, you have to trust. You see if you can't trust your partner, the past will come back and fuck up again. You understand? Trust. Respect, trust.
Boy, as far as how me see it, knowing how human beings stay, it no matter what nobody say, I ain't no idea Fabbi, I just do what she want do.
Alright.
So
all who not pan the media talk about if she dey back with this and that, we can't hide and take him back. Me I tell you.
Fabbi can't really hide nothing still, so
Yeah. I want you to understand, don't be surprised if she do that because I what the art want. Me I tell you no again. Stop make it look like say, who no live Fabbi life. A Fabbi life, guys. You understand? And she have to know what she want.
So Kitty, suppose what you would do? What you would do?
Huh?
Then me not tell you. Then if me want my man, no. He can't. Me not want him back.
What if man?
Me not have nobody now.
That's so much, man.
I know so much, man. Me just say me don't have nobody now. But listen, I know me at the topic. Don't stop straight from the point, right? So I focus here, so. You understand? Remember him going with the carrier, we know that. But listen now. Jayden, are you single?
Still.
Bro, them keep, bro. I don't know why they want give me woman.
You got this one, woman?
Why not give me woman?
No, you got this one, woman.
I'm a
Woman, Fabbi?
woman.
And the daughter.
No, I bet you this a big C.
I'm a big seed still there. I'm a big seed still there.
What are this is
Looking more at me.
Bro, watch on.
Alright,
want that?
Fabbi, let me show you something.
Watch on, wait now. Watch on.
Lie.
We not got this. We not got this nobody over here. You see, but me and nobody not there.
Okay.
Cool.
You see where all me see it, Fabbi, he might try work it out all along, he not there with nobody for true.
But Fabbi said she have somebody, you know.
Girl.
No, she tell me, I don't know if I joke or a prank, but she tell me that she have somebody for true.
TJ. You know, sir. Look what they are for, you know.
No, I'm not even busy about that. I'm not getting involved with that part.
Look what they are big foreign.
Mm.
Yeah.
But so you have to sacrifice yourself.
No.
You must say nobody go because him want to say
No, my son.
That me I try to see if he
I like that, yeah, I like
My
that.
son, I couldn't do Wait no.
Oh, probably, me know what.
What to say? What not talk about? Wait, no, we not do it wrong. What not do it so?
yeah, that's people.
No, she not something that she not something that you have to make she comfortable.
Yeah, but Jayden,
Um,
Fabbi.
Oh, so it's set now. Come on, chat.
No, we just, we move on, man.
You're
alright.
trying to.
No, we move on.
Oh, yeah, move on.
Let me tell you,
Let's go, chat. Let's go.
Me
Fabia
move.
do she said she move on, guys, but listen, hear me out, guys. Fabbi said she move on, but yet she still not get over the fact of her past. So she use the move on when she move on. You understand what I say, TJ? If you try get over the past.
Also, she try move on for stay.
You know get what I say? Guys, you know help Kitty now. Fabbi said she move on to try is a rebound, if you understand. Thank you. No.
Oh, say my rebound.
Not him. The future. The present where Fabbi said she move on. She's still hurting from the past.
Oh, 51 roast, chat.
She's still
51 rows, sir. 51 rows. 51 rows.
Oh,
Guys, everybody's in a rows. Everybody's in a rows. Everybody's in a rows. Everybody's in a rows, guys. Everybody's in a rows.
Like Fabbi tell herself so she move on, but in herself she don't move on, you know. She a winner 24.
guys, we use a triple.
Triple chat, triple.
Alright.
You want to make peace with the past so she can move on.
Chat, triple chat.
Triple, guys.
My side, use the triple chat. Use the
Triple. Come on, come on, come on. Twin, thank you. Triple, guys. Triple, guys. Triple. Triple chat. Triple. Yeah, thank you. Guys, come on, guys. Come no, guys. Guys, triple no chat. We're on a wheel. Seriously, Jizzy, nobody know.
I know add triple, I use if you use the triple. I know miss triple.
Oh,
me say.
see.
Abuse it not would stop forcing. Nobody now force somebody. I what do no man?
nobody not force nobody come. Me not force her. Me just make sure know say me been through them thing there, so me know what me I say. As a woman, me been through that. I know what me I say.
That topic there. We know the truth.
Forgive her, that's it.
We know the truth, bro. So when you go talk about
What
that.
I do over here, moderator mute the girl them.
Marie! Jesus Christ, there.
Make your tongue.
It's up to Fabbi what Fabbi want to do. And as me know Fabbi, she gonna do what she want at the end of the day. So.
Alright, yeah, me like how Kitty talk fact. Yeah, but listen now, una say if no man expose. You see, some in the comment section, man do body now as a female, and take up back your man, them, then sleep with no friend, they sleep with no auntie, no uncle, and take them back. You understand? People can change. Now say what Jayden do right, because we know that fuck up already. That's free. You understand? Some go like live perfect life and best life. Some go like say uno life so good. Like just people life, make them figure it out, make Fabbi figure it out. Me can't force her. But as what me say, man do me bad and make me sneak and go take it back. Everybody do me bad and me sneak and go take them back. Until me within myself know say it's a finish line and me done. Everybody have a finish line in their life.
Make up my mind right now.
Alright. One thing Fabbi say that we are work with.
Yeah, anything she say, that you have to just
If I did me,
Me come mind, man. Me not go back, man.
Okay.
And I can just don't know for that now.
Alright.
I'm not fair call my name say them something there. I'm just done right now.
what call your name?
Him not fair call my name every day and him could something there. Just don't let him fuck with it, brother.
Baby Misha, your pussy where you have under your sick you because it's a rotten. That's your other sick you.
Done, brother.
Pussy where you have. Go on a doctor.
My side, thank you
Come
so much.
TJ. Come here, go play TJ.
Something now. Alright.
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 Alright then. Jayden. You see the comment section. Let me tell you what happened, guys. Guys, tap up your screen. Come at me and my chat reason. My team kitty people, my genuine supporters, listen what me I say. Triple chat, triple make me talk, triple and then me talk. Chat, triple. My side, use the triple chat, triple. My side, use the triple no chat. We not a money gun, we not a galaxy. Use the triple no chat, use the triple no chat. Me know that, Zena. Use the triple chat, use the triple. Let me tell you something, guys. Let me tell you something.
Our problem.
No, she just say she say what she say and she done and then she say come TJ. She say what she say and she done what she say and she say come TJ.
Oh. The phone?
And then the phone like I feel like I don't know like they must say the phone but I don't know. Moderators wanna clean up your comment. But let me tell you something. Jayden, I'm gonna talk this.
Yeah.
See, this is social media, bro. I'm on different city or something. And then you see when you believe in your comment section and make them feel like them have a angle in your life, a tool in your life, it a got hard.
Yeah.
And if you understand what I say. Guys, Rose chat, Rose chat, Rose. When you not send up your Rose, me can't do it. Right. So she want what she want, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know. Me see everything. Me see this clear, you know, Jayden. Me know me I say, you know, me see it clear, you know. But you see the comment and fear side as supporters, trust me.
Really, thank you.
Now say what you do, Jayden, was right, and we know that. You understand?
Yeah.
Because the body not perfect. But the way how me see you fight for it, me feel like say you put up a little change. Like you done with the fuckery now. You see say a serious thing you want on. You know? Me see say you try fight it, but it now go. If she not accept it and know say you finish, you understand what I say and forgive you, you not gonna work and worse it pass again. So right there and then would I just try tell you no say, you know.
Watch you know. You should make a decision. You see, we can't fight it.
Deep down, she still love you, bro. Deep down, Fabbi no, me not ask you, I tell you. it take, you know, when you're in a, you know, when you love one man to a point where you're not even know so you love him until you left him. Guys,
Stop blame, bro.
you understand what I say, guys? You never there with one man yet, and you never know say so you love him man until you know the man left. It take a deep toll upon you, like you crash out, like you brain gone far. It's like you can't believe what go on, and you understand? But Jayden, you have to take things serious to hear, bro. You're a very jovial person. You take some time, some things for joke. Maybe she just feel like you're a joke around, so come back, come hurt her again. And them thing there. You have to show like a remorse and you have to show like a reassurance. Sorry. You understand? And them thing there, you have to show like you really mean it and ready and apologize to her in the way where like how you disrespect her upon the media. She look out for your apology upon the media. You understand? That is what me think would have give her a better angle of the situation. I know people can't tell me I'm wrong to say that. I know that for sure.
You can't wrong.
You understand? Sometimes some man don't know, not even man, sometimes human pan a hole don't know where them have till it gone. And that happened to you. You never know say she was that girl who you really love until when you break off you notice it won't hurt, you know, because you know company media long time too, you know, you're back and forth off media too, you know. You understand? You think about her every day. No day no pass you think about her while she do the same. They two wanna have genuine love for each other, but the disrespect and the media and the comment section and the all of them things they just
Tough, me dog.
all of them things they are fucking up.
When there?
You understand? All of them things they are fucking up. Me I tell you. All of them things they are fucking up. But nobody can stop you. If you're not for there, you're not going to hide and fuck till you come out again. Nobody can stop you now. She's saying she can't deal with him on TikTok.
Right, use a first W.
Guys, power taps chat. Use the double chat. Chat, use the double chat. Guys, use the double chat. Use the double chat.
If me and TJ did that friend, TJ would have said no.
You never know that's so kitty sensible. Not glad.
Buckler! No.
Oh God. Relationship, that's why I tell you in a chat, you can't bother with the relationship thing, you know, me can't bother, it stress me out too much. The relationship is a thing where you have to let go. Right now too. Let me tell you something. When you ever deal with some people yet, let me show you something. For example, me I show you 9 rows before me talk. 9 rows. 9 rows before me talk chat. 9 rows. 9 rows.
9 rows. 9 rows.
9 rows chat. 9 rows. 9 rows before me get down in that. Guys, 9 rows.
Guys, we can't. So we not try.
That is here for me. Get it now. Understand that. Use a triple chat. You know the comment section of the problem. Triple chat, triple.
Triple guys. Can't. So we not try.
Guys, triple chat. They gonna want money gun one galaxy.
Come on, team.
Guys, use the triple chat. Use.
I can't remember if it. Come on. Come on, guys. What do you mean we didn't try?
Guys, wanna stop blame other people. Fabbi know what she want.
Top them TJ.
Fabbi know what she want. Stop blame people, bro. Fabbi know what she want. Look how much time we are grow up as young pitney. Our mother, our father, our auntie, and our uncle say, don't deal with that boy, they don't deal with that girl there, and then licking our head. Don't deal with them, and then licking our head. And what we do? We still go there with them. We hide and there with them till they find out say we there with them. Them come over here spam me chat. She said you need to apologize to Ashley for her. As you don't you want a boy, she have to just know and fear herself if she want him or not and let him go. You understand? You have like say everybody have a limit in their life, you know.
She pull a run.
She still two of them. Should maybe can bother with the relationship business again, we don't know. She want him, but let me tell you, she afraid of the internet beating her. Me I tell you. She want him, but she afraid of the internet a beat her. As I say, it's up to she. It's up to she if she want him or not. And she go listen to her supporters, because you see if she take back Jayden now, guys, this is our next thing. You see if she take back Jayden, maybe her supporters go down. You see if she take back Jayden, maybe her supporters go down. Come on from my blood clot, like my big thinking girl Michelle, you think like a dog. Them say triple over there with her, so maybe that's why.
Supporters can't go down over there with the king of TikTok.
No, on fear side. But them for always remember say.
Can't go down.
But them for always remember say supporters come. Every day new supporters there.
Man, damn, man, I did.
The gifters tell her no, them are gonna stop support her. Gifters come on TikTok every day. New gifters come on this app every day. Yeah, then,
Triple call me.
yeah, go on. Go on.
Them not so them done. Them there.
Things no Miss Triple.
No, man, we not go top. You know me not
No,
go
me
top.
not talk about that. No, me just I tell you. I may ask you if you think him change.
What can I change out?
Jayden.
Wait, hold on. Hold on, Mr. Triple. What can I change I look for? Tell me what can I change I look for. You have to know what can I change I look for. You know?
What kind of change? Answer, Fabbi. I don't want to talk over no answer.
Bro, I'm just talk about the disrespect, brother. You don't know what can I change with. You know
Alright, me ask you two on one question. Me ask you two
Yeah.
on one important question. Cause me can't tell you no what fi do, you know. Me can't tell you no fi left. Me can't tell you no fi the back. Because remember, you know, we go down the road there already. And I be getting blame people to together, you know. But me ask you no one thing. Me ask you two on no Fabbi. Your life get better in any form or way when Jayden was in it? Did he benefit you in any form or way?
yeah, me not gonna lie about that. Yeah. And
Jayden,
for me as well.
Fabbi, make your life better in any form or way. Did the relationship benefit you in any form or way?
Yeah.
When I question what me ask myself, you know. Because in any relationship or friendship, if the relationship never build you up, benefit you in no way, it don't make no sense.
Yeah.
The next thing now is the problem between the two of you. But me tell you the two of you problem now. You see, Jayden now, Jayden, you disrespectful and you very lie. You see, Fabbi though, you disrespect outright. Fabbi hide and do it. Fabbi sneaking. So it two of no problem. It two of no have some set of problem on no have to fix. Because you see, you know, Jayden, you can't expect one woman for good to you when you do all sort of things when the life lock off. You can't they go yes so they give on, they go there so they sleep out. You're young, you know, and you might want to prove a point to your friend them, you know. And you me know everybody wants to say, oh, me can't get this a girl, me can't get this a girl, me have this amount, a girl, this amount. But at the end of the day, it doesn't make you happy. Because you're using multiple girls in the process when you know say none of them you really want. So it's like Fabbi, to me,